this is how to turn on your induction stovetop. So if we have a look here, there is a lock mechanism. If you have kids in the home, it might be locked, so you would need to unlock that to begin. We're not going to focus on that for this particular video. We just basically would turn on the power and then drag the temperature to where we want it. Now, the one thing is that a pot or a pan needs to be on the particular burner for it to start, because it does need that contact. If we do lift it from there, it will actually show failing because it's not in direct contact. So we need to make sure that it is actually on there. And then the final thing is there is a timer that you can actually set to make sure that you do not overcook anything. Once you're done, you can power everything down, and that is how to operate your induction stovetop.